Did you hear about the latest investigation into the Jeffrey Epstein case? CBS News just unveiled some surprising discrepancies in jail video footage connected to his time in custody. Yep, that's right. So, let's break this down. The technology involved here is surveillance video systems. These cameras are meant to provide security by recording activities in important areas, like jails. However, it turns out that there are issues with these recordings: missing footage, timestamps that don't match up, and even alleged malfunctions. This raises major questions about transparency and accountability, especially in a case as sensitive as Epstein's. Why does this matter to you? Well, it highlights the importance of reliable technology in critical situations. If surveillance systems can't be trusted to keep accurate records, what does that mean for our safety and security? Plus, it opens up discussions on privacy, the ethics of surveillance, and the implications of technology in our legal systems. Here's what we can take away from this. Always question the reliability of tech, even in spaces designed for security. We should advocate for better standards and transparency in surveillance technology to ensure justice and accountability. Technology can empower us, but it can also fail us, and understanding these nuances is crucial. This is today's tech update for July 30th, 2025.